Killerrain Gold here, and I'll be showing you guys a new product that I found at Ulta. It is called Tarte Concealer. I just want to show you guys how you put it on, just see how it turns out. My face is a little bit red from not putting much on today. I didn't put much makeup on today, so like this is what I do look like before I like put any concealer and stuff on. I still look like a little pale, a little bit red, but I will show you guys how to put it on and show you guys how it turns out. Let me pop my computer down real quick. Okay. Thank you guys. I'll give a shout out to PewDiePie, Make Me Bad 35 today. Thank you guys. I hit, I think, 129 subscribers this week, so pretty happy about that, guys. And I got my, oh fuck, my lighting's a little bit weird, but I did my eyes today. Wow, so pretty, right? Well, yeah, it does look alright, but like nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. I have my hair like this just because I don't want to get any makeup in my hair or anything, so I parted my hair in the middle today. Okay guys, I'll be getting into it. This is what it looks like. I think it runs about, let me think, $24 or $26. I made a video recently on Tarte, the primer. Yeah, this is the prime, this is concealer. So like this stuff's pretty good. It's a little bit more. I think it's like $36 at Ulta. You might be able to order online a little bit cheaper. It's called Tarte Double Duty Beauty. So it's kind of catchy, right? Right. Yeah, it is pretty catchy. Alright. Well, I'm on live me right now, so my camera's being blocked, but that's fine. But I would be putting a little bit of this on. The cool thing about this stuff is, guys, I really like it because comes with like a little brush type thing, so like it makes it way easier, so you're not like pumping it and putting on your finger or your beauty blender or whatever you use. I tried the silicone beauty blender. I do not like them. Do I approve of them? Hell no. Like, they look cool, but they do not work very good. I'm gonna put a little bit massive amount of concealer on right now just to fill up this red spot, redness, so you guys really don't have to put this much, but I always put a shit ton just to make sure everything holds pretty good. This is concealer. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere in my face, but I'll show you how it looks when it's over with. I look like blotch, man, right now. Blotchy. Yep, make sure you're kind of gentle on your face, just because your face is very brittle, your skin's very soft. So I'm sometimes a little rough on my face, but hey, it's my face. But I don't want to see anybody else get a bad face. I like this brand because it don't have no chemicals, it doesn't have no metals in it. Another good brand that I always use is Bare Minerals. I always give them a thumbs up to Bare Minerals. I did a few videos on them, so if you guys like check them out on my YouTube, that's up to you. Let me see if I got this on. I'm pretty sure I did, but I'll make sure. Okay, so far it looks so fucking awesome. This is with just the primer on it, so my face doesn't look too bad. So like, guys, bear with me. You guys can be just as beautiful as well. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of primer on real quick just to, you know what I mean, finish it off. I might as well finish up the video with me putting this stuff on as well, you know what I mean? This stuff is very good, very nice. I haven't really used Bare Minerals for a few days since I've been using this stuff, but Bare Minerals is very nice stuff to use. So like, you really don't even need that much to make to make everything look pretty good. You just need to blotch it around, blotch it around. Just put on spots that you think you might need a little bit more. This is primer, so you can use a little bit more of it. Concealer, you don't have to use as much, so you don't want to be yellow, and you don't want to, well, you want to be pale like me. You want to be pale nightmare like me, so definitely go for that white stuff, the pale look. Because what keeps our skin is being out of the sun. Being tan is not good for our skin. So if people think it's good for your skin, hell no. Make sure you guys wear sunscreen this summer. It's going to be a hot one. I can guarantee you that. It's going to be hot as shit. It's going to be a miserable summer. But it's going to be awesome because I love swimming. So when it's really hot and it's a nice day, I always love to swim. So I don't have any problems with that. Well, okay. Well, we are done, guys. How fucking beautiful. How beautiful can I look? Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out really, really good, guys. Really, really good. So, let me know what you guys think. Give me a subscribe, like, or share. That was Tarte concealer and primer, but I'm going to be posting as just concealer just because I already did the primer, but I will be trying other products that they have so far. Perfect, guys. Tarte all day. Peace out, guys. Much love. Killer Rain Gold here.